Alright, almost there to pick up what we need so we can get the vlog started. Alright, let's just pick up. Let's pick up where we left off. Hey, anybody knows a good barber in Maypen?
Here comes Farmer George.
What?
With a blind snake.
Why? Nobody try to bite me, boy. Nobody try to bite me. He's like, oh, this is the problem up here. Say hi to the camera.
Please don't make him try to get me.
That's all. You see him all look for bites?
He's tasting, he's testing, he's seeing what is there. Please don't turn him this way, Paul.
Before we even get there, neighbors, where have you been? It's been almost 2 months, probably more than 2 months since I've last seen you. Where have you guys been? Seriously, I need to know what you've been up to, why you never show up, because I just have not seen or heard from you, and that is unacceptable. Yeah, so we're giving you an update. We're going to fill it in on the last couple months, and so let's start with graduation. I think that was the first important milestone that we missed to update you on Hannah's graduation before we get into anything else about the move or the migration. So Hannah graduation, let's go. Yes, Hannah's graduation. It was very touching. Oh, you're still looking for Hannah? Alright, let me help you. She's right there with the long hair. Right. You know I had to represent my woman's style, but what I'm showing you here is Tina wiping her eyes because she told Hannah, I'm not going to cry. And look at her. Couldn't even keep it together from the first march up. But what happened after we just celebrated with some dinner with our pastor's family. This film, all footage captured here may be seen on social media. The one and only Rachel Reed. Alright, so we got into the food. We just ordered different things and we share and split up, and yeah, chicken, pork, special chow mein. Leila was just ready to eat, waiting to eat, and we demolished it in no time. But oh gosh, I almost forgot. Speaking of celebration, rich Auntie Jenny came with her granddaughter. So Leila and Zahra's cousins were celebrating.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cornelia. Happy birthday to you. Come on, how old? How old are you now?
Sing.
How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you.
Cut. Now back to the snake story. Hold on, snake, I have to get this. Oh, it stopped ringing. Alright, that's it now.
Paul,
Tell him bye-bye.
stop it. He sprays something.
But as you can see, yes, we've moved. It's a couple of my raked up leaves heaps. We've moved to Maypen. Just catch more behind right here. And wow, how do I hold this camera? And it's taken a lot from us over the past couple of months. It's drained us emotionally in every way. We've done some work and we're here now. It's not all out we want it to be as it, but it's enough to start. And thank God we're here. We moved in on about August 5, basically 1 year after we received letter of possession. So we got letter of possession dated August 5. I think we moved in August 4. So we're in now, and the process to be here, it has taken so much from us. It has drained us in so many ways, emotionally, so pray for us. It has drained us spiritually, so pray for us. It has drained us mentally, so pray for us. It has drained us financially, so pray for us. And if you want to as well, send something through PayPal, Western Union, Jamaican National Money Transfer, any one of them. But it has taken so much from us. We're just taking the time to just refresh ourselves and, you know, just take a breather. But then again, back to school is on us now, and they're changing schools from Portmore to Clarendon, so that's a whole other process of getting uniforms and books and just getting used to the area and figuring out where the uniforms are made and all that. It's a big move. We've both lived in Portmore for most, if not all, of our lives, so coming here now is a big change, but we'll conquer it. As I said, we're on our way now to the school to see what information we can get on the uniforms and all those other little things that need to be done. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you what we've been up to, what we've done here. Paul, the weed whacker man. Want a whacker man? Call me. Check out these clips, neighbors. Alright, this is called we can call this stage the chopping stage. Became a top chopper. And no, not the scamming type, but there were too many trees, too much bush. So I got to chopping and just putting them together, gathering them at certain places so we can either burn them or get them picked up and moved away. And on top of that, there was a lot of whacking, enough weed whacking, inside, outside, roadside, dangerous cars and taxis passing by, but we got the job done, did what we had to do. Waka works fine, and yeah. So this stage now was for work inside the house, and it involved many trips to the hardware store, getting blocks, sand, you name it, we got it. That the workmen could have their material to work. Did some work on the roof. This gaping hole in the roof was sorted out, thank God. Then there was work inside, hitting out this wall that was just blocking all the light. Did some drilling as well, big up to Barry. Starting out the kitchen for us. Then we call in the electrician, big up Glenn and Pumba. This is all legal, guys. JPS, do not come after us. All legal. NWC came as well and did their bit. There was a lot of back and forth with them, but eventually we got the water back on. And that was the last piece to the puzzle before we're able to finally move in. Hey neighbors, so that's the update that we had to share with you. We are here now settling into our new home, and we thank God for the progress we've made. We look forward to see how He works it out. I remember a friend Ian said that he watches the channel and he was like, how come Paul don't look stressed? Never look stressed, yes, I never have so much on him plate. If I don't look stressed now, Ian, believe me, I'm hiding it well, because things are pretty intense right now. My encouragement to the neighborhood, it's been a while, but continue trusting God. There's a lot going on just generally, but God knows your personal circumstance, and He, even though sometimes you don't feel like He is working fast enough and things not moving at the pace that you would want it to, I'm speaking for myself as well, and to myself as well, continue trusting Him. He has a bigger plan. But let me know, how are you doing though? How is the neighborhood? How back to school? How world championships? What else I missed? So much went on. Just update us in the comments about how you've been. You'll see the girls and Tina soon. We're making no promises in terms of a schedule or delivery of videos. We cannot do that right now. Maybe see a video Sunday coming, maybe not. But until we kind of, just settle down and get back in the groove, yeah, we'll keep things ad hoc and I guess random. But it's good to check in, let you know that we're alive, let us know how you are. You can reach us on other social media. Instagram, we were off basically everything. Instagram, no email, but we're checking back everything now. Instagram is much easier in the short video format, and the stories to tell those quick stories and to keep in touch. So neighbors, until then, we'll see you. Big up from me and the host in Maypen. Have a great week, and until next time, catch up. Bye.